everyone, welcome back to my tutorial of big data, the world of big values, where we are discussing about big data and ecosystems and its related terms. So in the previous video we discussed about that how SQL comes into the big data picture, and in this video we'll discuss about what is NoSQL. So there are different source, different name, different meaning of the NoSQL on the internet. If you Google it, if you search it about NoSQL, then different articles give you different meaning, and even maybe my solution will be means my definition will be also different from the others. So let's go through one by one. That somewhere the NoSQL is termed as not only SQL, and then somewhere it is termed as that not relational SQL. So NoSQL stand in the starting with the normal thing that NoSQL stands for not relational SQL or not only SQL. Lots of people thinks that NoSQL means there are no SQL, which is not exactly true. They both sound same, but the meaning is totally different. NoSQL does use SQL, but it uses more than SQL to achieve its goal. So as per Wikipedia, if you search there on Wikipedia, that NoSQL database definition is like that: a NoSQL database provides a mechanism for storage and retrieval of data that uses consistency model than traditional relational database model. So it's quite understandable that NoSQL is a mechanism which used for big data storage and retrieval process. Okay, so the next thing is in our mind, it is coming that why we need NoSQL, as we have MySQL and the relational database condition which is working in the past of I think 30 and 40 years. Then why automatically that we need NoSQL right now? So a traditional approach for relational database usually deals with predictable structure of the data, whereas the world has moved forward with the unstructured data. We often see the limitation of the traditional relationship database in dealing with them. For example, nowadays we have data in the format of SMS, wave files, photo, and the video formats. It is a bit difficult to manage them by using a traditional relational database. I often see people using blob field to store such a data. Blob can store the data, but when we have to retrieve them or even process them, then the same blob is extremely slow in processing the unstructured data. So a NoSQL database is the type of database that can handle unstructured, unorganized, and unpredictable data that our business needs it. Okay, so we can say, like, along with the support of unstructured data, the other advantage of NoSQL database is high performance and availability. So right now here you can see that NoSQL database is having the powers of containing the mobile condition and the mobile apps, web and internet of things of the app, and it's also handle vast quantity and the quality of the unstructured data, and it is really flexible and scalable and the fast. So right now in the topmost industries are still investing their particular technology into the NoSQL database. So we have to understand that how many types of NoSQL database is currently working in the field of the database. So there are mainly four different types. The first is key value database, second is column based database, third is document database, and the fourth is graph database. So what is the actual meaning of key value database? So in a key value NoSQL database, all the data within consists of an indexed key and a value. So for example, DynamoDB and the Cassandra we will discuss in the another tutorials, where we will discuss about Cassandra in the more details. Okay, another database is column based database, in which NoSQL database DB is designed for storing data table as section of columns of the data rather than as the row of the data, like HBase and SAP HANA. And the third is document database, that this database expanded the key value storage system, where document contains more complex in that they contain data and each document is assigned a unique value and unique key which is used to retrieve the document, such as MongoDB and the CouchDB. And the last, that graph database. In this database, it is designed for handle whole relations as well represented as a graph, and has elements which are interconnected with an undetermined number of the relations between them. So it is like plot, polyglot, and the neo4j. So these are the different types of the NoSQL database. I hope you understanding about that what is the different type of the NoSQL database and what is the actual meaning of the NoSQLs. In the next video, we are discussing about NoSQL versus SQL, where we only talk about the difference between NoSQL and the SQL. And till that, a quiet request for you: if you are not subscribing my channel, so please subscribe it, and comment down if you are having any questions related to this video. Thanks.